How to make international calls from United States. To make international calls from the United States, you generally need to follow these steps. 1. Dial the exit code * before dialing an international number. You need to dial the exit code for the United States, which is 011. 2. Dial the country code * after the exit code. Dial the country code for the country you are calling. Country codes are typically 1 to 4 digits long and uniquely identify each country. You can find a list of country codes online or in international dialing code directories. 3. Dial the area code. If applicable, some countries have area or city codes that you need to dial after the country code. Omitting the area code may result in a failure to connect or connecting to the wrong location. 4. Dial the local number *. Finally, dial the local phone number of the person or business you are trying to reach. This is the actual phone number you want to call. 5. Include the international dialing prefix. If required, some countries may have an additional prefix that needs to be dialed before the country code. This is less common, but it's important to check if the country you are calling has any specific requirements. Here's an example of how you might dial an international number: 011, exit code for the US, plus country code plus area code plus local number. For instance, if you were calling a number in the United Kingdom, country code 44, you might dial 011 plus 44 plus area code plus local number. Make sure to check with your phone service provider for any specific instructions or variations that might apply to your particular plan or service. Additionally, be aware that international calls can incur additional charges, so it's a good idea to understand your provider's international calling rates and policies.